Laser Dave and Shane's hardwood store here hooking up the rotary on his CO2. Stick around and find out how. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your Wi-Fi to the wireless router that's connected to the machine. This one's called TP-Link. To check it out, you can look at the side of your, inside your controller. Boom. There it is, right there. Got the little blue light on. So we should be able to connect and wirelessly control our machine. Then he's using Lightburn to program his CO2. We're gonna put the rotary in and do a project. So first thing is we wanna make sure that we're connected to the Wi-Fi. Now we're connected to the laser. That's there. Boom, all the files. I prefer to run it off of the computer. It's easier for me, easier for you. Then when he's in Lightburn, he's gonna come up to Tools, Rotary Setup. He's gonna enable the rotary, and he has it pretty much set up for the last project he did. The only thing that we need to change in here is the object diameter. So when we have that, we'll get that updated and loaded. And
oh, sorry. That's okay.
so here's Shane's hardwood store. He's putting in his rotary. He's got a nice little board that he's doing. So dropping it down. Did you get some O-rings? I should have brought you some O-rings.
I did, I got some. But they're bigger, but they fit.
That's all that matters, as
thicker.
long as it fits. The O-rings get a little dried out and crack and fall off, but Shane got some. He did his own research and development. All right, now that we got our 2-inch square programmed in there, we just put the program at a really low power, high speed, because we don't really want to mess anything up here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to send to the laser, name it, bam. Now it'll be the first one in your controller. We'll hit File, Enter, boom, that's all our stuff in there. We'll hit Origin. Now we have a visual to see if all the step links and everything are correct. So if we frame it, it should go around our crayon drawing we have there. Oh. All right, here we go. We're ready to rock and roll. Shane's gonna hit start. Let's see what this thing does. Sparks and smoke, that's what we want. So now that we're done doing our rotary, we're going to go ahead and put it back to running a plain CO2. So the first thing we're going to do is the software. Bam. Still connected. So we're going to go up to Tools. We're going to hit Rotary Setup. We're going to enable the rotary. We're going to hit, it says right here, settings read from controller successfully. We're going to hit OK. And we're going to bebop back over here. Boom, boom, boom. We can undo the rotary. We can plug back in our stepper. Bam, we got it. Pop this thing back down, and then we can hit reset on the controller. It's moving nice and smooth, going back. Everything's set up correctly.